So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and 25 for your settings app. So when you find your settings app, just tap on it to open it. Now tap on apps and notifications. Tap on the see your apps. Tap on the search bar at the top right corner. Try to search for Facebook. Now tap on it when it appears. Tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. Go back and tap on notifications. Make sure all the show notifications are toggled on. So when it's like this, then just tap on it to turn it on. After that, go back. Tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is toggled on. Lastly, tap on force stop. Then tap on OK to force stop. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, tap on it to open it. Now what you have to do is to update it. So tap on it to update it. So tap on the update over here. After updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. Then you tap on restart or reboot. After that, tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.